So this is what it looks like when it's operating normally. It's their Thermo TriPac APU control center in the cab. We currently have the air conditioning running, and she feels cold, you know. So we'll show you what's happening. Okay, so we have our orange triangle here lit up. And like I said, the air conditioning is really, really cold. So, of course, it's cool outside, but I think this has something to do with, you know, I don't have a thermometer, but it feels cold to me. So hopefully it's not an AC line and out of Freon. Hopefully it's just a corroded wire, you know, on the fan. Because a subscriber told me if the fan does not kick on the condenser, the TriPac will shut down. All right, so there we go. We got the red triangle now, so she's shut down. So we're just going to leave it right there in that mode until Thermo King hooks up their wire and checks it out. So we'll keep you updated. There's the heart of the beast. I'll tell you what she cost me. Can you guys see that? Look at that, $139.46 for a fuse that they charged me $6.65 for a fuse. Look at that. Thank you, Thermo King of Chattanooga. Unbelievable. Before I start sounding like I'm bashing Thermo King of Chattanooga, I would like to say that I called them Monday, told them of my situation, and I'd be there Tuesday, you know, around noon. And they said, well, we're about 16 deep, and we work off a first come, first served basis. I said, okay, I'll touch back with you on Tuesday. So I called them on Tuesday at 11. So, hey, I'll be there at noon. And they said, well, we're booked up. Be here first thing Wednesday morning. I said, okay. So I go there first thing Wednesday morning and do the check-in process. They're like, oh, well, you leaving it? I said, no, I'm staying there. Well, it could be tomorrow or the next day. I said, no, dude. You told me to be here first thing Wednesday morning. It's first come, first serve. He said, well, we're still backed up 16 deep. And I said, well, okay, I'm still staying. I took 2 days off of work for this. I did headed from Atlanta, Georgia. Well, Alpharetta, 100 miles. It doesn't matter. I did head home. I stopped working to come here to take care of this issue. So what upsets me is now they did a wonderful thing. They put a guy right on it because they thought it was something simple, as did I. So they put a guy right on it. He put the laptop on it, diagnosed it, said, yep, high pressure. It had like 20 codes for high pressure, which told him the fan wasn't working. So he checked the fuse. It was a blown fuse. That's what upsets me. Because I've got a Windows 7 laptop here at home. I should have hooked it up to it, checked it, diagnosed it, Googled it. So you start with me in the comments section. I know, but my Windows 8 that I carry in the truck does not read the TriPac. So now we learn. So it's, this is the whole thing. It's a learning process. It's part of being a rookie. You learn as you go. We learn every day. So now we know where the fuse is, and if it does it again, we'll check fuses. We did buy Freon, but I wasn't convinced it was Freon, or I should say refrigerant, because it was cool. But anyway, here's what upsets me. Thermo King of Chattanooga. All my friends said, buy it from your local dealer. I did that, right? This is why. So I live in Tennessee. Tennessee has a 9.75% sales tax. So sales tax on that was $11. Well, sales tax on a $12,000 unit was about $2,000. So I could have bought this TriPac in Ohio or Illinois with no tax, especially at Landstar. I think Illinois, no tax, but Ohio is no tax. You got to check your surrounding states or your states, because the Thermo King TriPac is the same price everywhere. So what upsets me is I brought this thing to a local dealer bought it from them, paid the 9.75% Tennessee state sales tax. For what purpose? I go get a fuse and they charge me $139.46 because their minimum hourly shop rate is 1 hour at $121. Well, it took the kid 10 minutes, you know. They could have prorated it or cut me some slack. Said, "Oh, okay, it's just a fuse. You're good. Go ahead." Because I bought the unit from them. So buying a Thermo King TriPac from your local dealer doesn't mean squat. You know, save the money, buy it in a tax-free state because these things are Thermo King. They're everywhere. You know, that's what it's like buying a car. You go buy a Mercedes from that dealership, you would expect loyalty from that dealership. That's not really always the case, you know, just like here. So $139 for a fuse. And then they charged me $6.65 for the fuse. How much is a fuse? 50 cents? So anyway, but the good news is we got it fixed. It was cheap and inexpensive repair. Yes, it cost me 2 days of work. That got expensive. I could have kept working without it, but, you know, making $2,000 and you don't get proper rest that night, and it's just not worth it. So that's why we have the TriPac, is to be able to sleep comfortably at night. And we're just rambling. So there's the update on the Thermo King TriPac. We got it fixed for $139.46. So all in all, it's a cheap repair. Should have been free or something, or half an hour or something, but $139 for a fuse is, I mean, I don't even think it took him 10 minutes. So there's that. So I won't go back there. I won't go out of my way to go back. I went out of my way to come back there because Wilson, North Carolina charged me $1,100 to splice an AC line. So that's why I don't buy brand specific trucks like Peterbilt and Packard or Volvo, because you got to go back to them and they got the monopoly on it. And so they bend you over. Shouldn't have said that. But anyway, so there you go, guys. Y'all have a good one. We're out. Give me a thumbs up, like it, share it. Share the whole world. Tell them about Thermo King. But Thermo King is worth its weight in gold. It's a bulletproof system. And that one's 4 years old, 3.5, 4 years old, and runs like a top, you know. So I'm not dissing the brand. I'm dissing the service. So there you go. You guys have a good one. See you.